pieces. Silence takes all the words from my mind to describe it. Yeah. Give a little bit, oh, give a little bit, oh, higher than my love, higher than my love for you. Give a little bit, oh, give a little bit, oh, strong.
Hello, my name is Cassie.
Action.
Hi, my name is Tilly.
Action.
Hi, I'm Dad Glenn.
Action.
Hi, my name is Milani, and some of my favorite things about summer camp is how the counselors and how fast I made friends. And a few things I like about this camp are the counselors, the places we go, and the food. My name is Cassie, and one thing I like about camp is that we get to do a lot of field trips and we get to explore outside. The counselors and how fast I made friends, and I would like to send us special thanks to Santiago and all my friends.
Thank you.
And some of my favorite things here are all the fun camp counselors, all the things we get to do. I also very much like my friend, Milani. Okay,
Who's your favorite friend?
Milani.
Thank you. Who's your favorite friend?
All of them.
All these three?
Yes. Milani.
So this is your favorite friend, Milani.
Yeah, I've known her for 2 years.
Friend.
Kenny.
Alright. Would you like to come back here another year?
Yes.
Would you like to come back here again?
Yeah.
Come back here another year?
Yeah, totally. I went here last year and I loved it. So I came back this year. Yes.
Alright. Would you like to come back here another year?
Yes.
My name is Miss Marissa from Cape Fear Riverwatch Camp, and I love everybody's curiosity that comes to camp. They're excited to learn and explore the outdoors.
Who is your favorite kid?
Who's my favorite what?
Kid.
My favorite, I don't know my favorite kid. I'm not allowed to answer that question. My favorite person is my co-counselors.
Who would you like to see next year again?
I would like to see everybody again next year, as long as they have an age out camp. If they're over 12, they can't come, and if they're not over 12 yet, then I want to see them next year.